Lyrics for 200.
Country's Jason Aldean sings about how it should be the other way around, but memory drowns this. Jack Daniels, specifically. Adam?
What is whiskey?
Yeah.
Chicago for 1,000.
Founded in 1930 by a successful Chicago businessman, this planetarium is America's oldest. Adam?
What is the Adler Planetarium?
You got it.
Chicago for 400.
These two pro sports teams play their home games at United Center. Evan?
Who are the Bulls and the Blackhawks?
Yes.
Let's go lyrics for 400.
Yeah, I'm going to take my horse to this title place. I'm going to ride till I can't no more. Evan?
Where is the Old Town Road?
You got it.
Lyrics for 6.
On You Need to Calm Down, she sings, "You are somebody that I don't know, but you're taking shots at me like it's Patron." And the singer is Taylor Swift. Back to you, Evan.
Lyrics for 8.
She demanded, "Break up with your girlfriend. Yeah, 'cause I'm bored." Adam?
Who is Ariana Grande?
Right.
Lyrics for 1,000.
Her new man on the Minnesota Vikings, Truth Hurts, needed something more exciting. Bum bum be dum bum bay. Evan?
Who is Lizzo?
Yep, and I did it exactly like she does, didn't I?